In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment method on Wix. To get started, log into your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps many of the important options for your website, including payment setup. After opening Settings, select Accept Payments. This will take you to the area where you can manage how customers will pay you on your Wix site. If you are setting this up for the first time, this page is especially important because it shows the payment methods available for your business. Now, take a moment to look at the business location shown in the top right corner of the page. This part matters because Wix uses your country or region to display the payment providers that are supported where your business operates. Make sure the correct country is selected before moving forward. If the wrong location is set, you may not see the payment options you actually want to use. Once your business location is correct, you can begin reviewing the standard payment options available on your checkout page. These are the methods your customers will see when they are ready to complete a purchase. One common option is PayPal. This is useful if you want to offer a fast and familiar checkout experience. Many customers already have PayPal accounts, so enabling it can make the payment process feel quicker and more convenient. You may also see manual payments. This option is helpful if you want to accept offline payment methods, such as cash on delivery or a manual bank transfer. This can be a good choice for certain business types or local delivery setups where online card payment is not the only option you want to provide. If you want to explore more choices, scroll to the bottom of the page and click See More Payment Options. This section lets you browse additional third-party gateways and other payment solutions that may be available for your region. Depending on your business location, you may see options such as Stripe, Square, or even point-of-sale related tools. Reviewing these options can help you choose the setup that best fits your business model and customer needs. As you go through this page, focus on selecting the payment methods that match how you want to get paid and how you want your customers to check out. That covers everything you need to know.